Can you answer all 50 questions without giving up? Let's begin the challenge. Which is the largest and deepest ocean on planet Earth? Option C, Pacific Ocean. What is the hardest naturally occurring substance found on Earth? Option B, diamond. How many days are there in a standard leap year? Option C, 366. Which country gifted the famous Statue of Liberty to the United States? Option B, France. What is the main gas that humans breathe out into the air? Option C, carbon dioxide. Which primary color do you mix with yellow to create green? Option D, blue. What is the name of the tallest mountain peak in the world? Option C, Mount Everest. How many primary colors are there in a standard color wheel? Option B, 3. Which cold continent contains the south pole of the Earth? Option C, Antarctica. What structural mineral makes up the main building blocks of coral reefs? Option C, calcium carbonate. Which heavy metal liquid is commonly used inside traditional medical thermometers? Option C, mercury. What is the total number of individual bones in a standard deck of cards? Option D, 52. Which fast flowing liquid is produced by tree bark to create natural rubber? Option C, latex. What instrument is used to measure air pressure in the atmosphere? Option C. Barometer. What is the primary chemical element found in common table salt? Option D. Sodium. Which ancient country built the majestic Great Pyramid of Giza? Option B. Egypt. What do we call a giant destructive ocean wave triggered by underwater earthquakes? Option D. Tsunami. Which instrument uses a magnetic needle to point toward north? Option C. Compass. What basic substance covers approximately 71% of Earth's surface? Option C. Water. Which unique continent is completely surrounded by oceans and acts as its own country? Option D. Australia. What common sweet food item is produced naturally by boiling the sap of maple trees? Option A. Maple syrup. Which basic measurement unit tracks the volume of liquids like water or milk? Option C. Liter. What giant system of lines and cables powers modern electronics across towns? Option A. Power grid. Which massive imaginary line cuts planet Earth directly into northern and southern halves? Option A. The equator. What specific substance is used to make glass transparent? Option A. Sand or silica. What is the name of the tallest living land building in the world? Option B. Burj Khalifa. What historical stone structure was built across China to protect its northern borders? Option C. Great Wall of China. Which popular green fruit is actually the main ingredient used to make guacamole? Option B. Avocado. Which common mineral do pencil leads actually consist of? Option A. Graphite. What generic name do we give to a violent spinning funnel of wind that touches the ground? Option C. Tornado. Which atmospheric gas creates the distinctive white color of common rain clouds? Option C. Water vapor. Which country famously contains the ancient stone fortress ruins of Machu Picchu? Option A. Peru. What historic structure is the official residence of the President of the United States? Option A. The White House. What structural form of carbon is completely transparent and holds extreme value? Option A. Diamond. Which country famously features the historic Colosseum amphitheater structure in Rome? Option B. Italy. Which unit of measurement is specifically used by ocean ships to track distance? Option A. Nautical mile. What basic shape is universally used for the standard Red City stop sign? Option A. Octagon. What tool do doctors use to listen directly to a patient's heartbeat? Option A. Stethoscope. Which major European city features the iconic Eiffel Tower monument? Option B. Paris. What specific sublayer of Earth's atmosphere absorbs most solar ultraviolet radiation? Option C. Ozone layer. Which non-metal chemical element makes up the main structure of diamonds? Option B. Carbon. What sweet sticky liquid do flowers produce to attract pollinating insects? Option B. Nectar. What basic natural resource provides the core raw material used to manufacture paper? Option A. Wood pulp. What massive storage structure blocks rivers to create giant artificial lakes for electricity? Option C. Dam. What do we call the underground melted rock liquid before it erupts from a volcano? Option C. Magma. Which material is used to construct the protective casing of standard wine bottles? Option B. Glass. What is the specific name of the traditional white dress uniform worn by chefs? Option C. Chef's whites. Which country contains the majestic Taj Mahal white marble mausoleum monument? Option B. India. What standard measuring unit is used worldwide to calculate the temperature of the air? Option A. Celsius or Fahrenheit. What specific geometric shape features three straight sides and three internal angles? Option D. Triangle. Top comments will get greetings in our next video. Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quizzes and new challenges every time.